Hi, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There. Welcome back to my Ludlow Wristlet Sew Along tutorial video series. To make the Ludlow Wristlet, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern available on my website at the link below. With all of the pattern pieces prepped from my previous video, we're ready to begin. We'll start with adding the accent. Locate the accent pieces and your exterior B and D pieces. Apply a small amount of glue on the wrong side of the accent piece. Be sure to keep the glue out of the edges and the seam allowance. Then, matching the notches in the bottom edges, place the accent pieces on top of piece B and on top of piece D. Carefully top stitch the curved top edge of both accents. Baste the side and bottom edges of the accents using a 1/8 inch seam allowance. If you are sewing the Ludlow as a bum bag rather than as a wristlet, this is the point at which you will add the waist belt connectors. I will be creating a future video to demonstrate how to do this. Locate pieces D and G. Measure 5/8 inch from the top left and right edges. Draw small lines at both of the 5/8 inch marks. The zipper will be centered between these markings and not sewn into the side seams. Locate your two zippers for your wristlet. First, we will prepare the top zipper. For the top zipper only, fold back the top ends of the zipper tape at a 45-degree angle. Press or stitch in place. I'll show you a second way to fold down those top edges of your zipper. I'm using a 14-inch zipper, and what I'm going to do is close the zipper and then draw two fold lines. These fold lines will be the end point of my zipper on the opening end side. Starting on the right edge of my zipper, I'm going to fold in half along the line I just drew, wrong sides together. While I hold onto the fold and I turn the fold outward, it forms a 45-degree turn at the top edge of my zipper. You can either sew this on your machine, or I just use a needle and thread and make a few small stitches to tack this fold in place. After you've folded and sewn the second half of your zipper, you're ready to trim the excess, and you just cut it even with the rest of the zipper tape. Measure 8 5/8 inches from the zipper opening. Mark with a pen. Then hand baste at the 8.5 inch mark over top of the zipper teeth to create a new zipper stop. Trim the zipper where marked so that the total length is 8 5/8 inches. We will now prepare the front exterior pocket zipper. This zipper will be sewn between two tabs, so we will not fold over the end of the zipper. I am working with a 14-inch zipper. The total length that I need for this is 8 5/8 inches. First, what you want to do is sew the opening of the zipper closed. Make sure that the zipper pull is in the middle. You can also do this at your sewing machine by setting a very wide stitch length and sewing several tack stitches over top of the zipper teeth. Cut off the excess zipper tape above the stitches you just made. Measure 8 5/8 total inches and mark with a pen. Just as you did with the first zipper, hand baste at 8.5 inches over the zipper teeth to create a new zipper stop. or use your sewing machine as I explained a moment ago. Trim the zipper tape where marked so that the total length of the zipper is 8 5/8 inches. Both zippers are now ready for their zipper tabs. Beginning with 1H zipper tab, press in half, matching short side to short side. Unfold, then fold the raw edges to meet the center crease and press. The raw edges are now enclosed. Fold and press the other 2 zipper tabs in the same way. Beginning with the top zipper, insert the bottom end of the zipper into one of the prepared zipper tabs. Be sure the end of the zipper is pushed all the way to the zipper tab's center crease. Pin or clip. Then sew 1/8 inch from the fold of the zipper tab closest to the zipper teeth. Trim the excess fabric of the zipper tab so that it is even with the zipper tape. Repeat with the remaining zipper, adding zipper tabs to both ends of the zipper for the front pocket. Your zippers are now prepared for your wristlet. In my next video, we'll sew the zippers into the wristlet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing!